Well, the little Falk engine is now finished. It's not the best chimney cowl I've ever made, but it doesn't look too bad. And I think it suits the engine okay, as does the bluing on the chimney. The bluing on the chimney, it's interesting. When you first take it out of the oil, it's not too dark, but I think it actually darkens a bit in contact with the air, because it certainly looks darker now than it did when I did it. So I'm quite pleased about that. But yeah, all that remains now is to see whether it will actually run. So we'll get on and steam it, or attempt to. Well, the burners are light, and we've got some hot water in the boiler. I did measure the capacity of the boiler. It's about 75 millilitres full, so I put about 45 millilitres in, so hopefully it won't prime too much. And I know this is generally the kiss of death, but I don't expect any problems with running this engine at all. These German engines, they're generally known as the Nuremberg engines, Dole, Marklin, Josef Falk, Bing, all of these kind of engines, they generally, you never have any trouble running them. They were superbly made. It's as simple as that, and they are fantastic engines, all of them. So no, I don't expect we'll have any trouble with this. I've got the actual gas burner turned right down. It's on quite a low flame, so we'll let it heat up, and hopefully it won't be too long before we're ready to go. That's not steam, you can see that's a little bit of oil burning off. But, well, we're not far off now. And I think we're there. There we go. Again, no regulator. The only way you can control it is by the gas flame, but ooh. Loads of water out of the whistle. Let's see if we can get it to actually whistle. No. Maybe when some of the water has boiled off, we'll get it to go. As I said, I've got the flame really low. See if we can get the whistle working now. Very high pitched, very high pitched. What a lovely little engine. Close in on that a little bit. As I said, I didn't expect there to be any problem running this. Fairly quiet. It was nice to have an engine where I didn't have to do too much in the way of restoration work on it, or manufacture work. I do like these early German engines. There's just something about them that they're very refined, I think is probably the best word I can come up with. Runs an absolute treat. Yeah, well pleased with that. Lovely, lovely engine. I'm really also pleased to have another Josef Falk. As I said, this is only my fourth one. I've got quite a few Bings, but almost no Josef Falks, so I'm well happy to have this. I'll turn the gas off, see how long it'll run. What a lovely engine. Okay, well I guess that about wraps it up for the Josef Falk vertical. As I said, unfortunately I don't know the model number on this one, but it's a very nice little engine. As always, hope you've enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching. Cheers.